Today is the last lesson. I'm going to teach you Urdu alphabets. So you have to repeat after me because this is the first time you are watching this video and this is the last part of alphabets. I have taught you in my first video I have taught you 12 alphabets. Then I taught you 11 alphabets. Now I'm going to teach you 13 alphabets because there are 36 alphabets in Urdu language. So let's start the last lesson. Ain, Ain, Ain. Listen carefully. I will show you mouth and faces. I will show you mouth faces in my next lesson, and I will show you how children pronounce these alphabets. Okay, so do not worry about this because I have not finished this lesson in this video because I will make more videos regarding alphabets. So do not worry about this. So let's pronounce Ain, 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 Ghain, Ghain, Ghain. First one, Ain, and it's Ghain, Ain. Now, Ghain, 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 Ain, Ghain. Fe, Fe, Fe. How to pronounce this word? Fe, Fe, Fe. Cough. You have to speak bold because it's soft. Cough, 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 cough. And the similar but in a soft way, calf, calf. First one, cough, and it's calf, calf, calf. It's cough, cough. It's cough, and it's calf, calf. Gaff, gaff, gaff. How to pronounce gaff, gaff, gaff. Lam, 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 lam. Meme, 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 meme. How to pronounce this? Meme, meme. Your throat will be vibrate when you say meme, meme, meme. Noon, 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 noon. Have you ever noticed afternoon? It's noon. Okay, it's similar to afternoon and it's noon. Okay, noon, noon, noon. Wow, 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 wow. You can say in English, wow, what a nice, wow. It's like wow. Okay, wow, 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 wow. Hey, hey. There are two hey. First, we hey in the second row. In my first lesson, I taught you hey, and it is also hey. Both are both sound are same. Hey, whenever you meet somebody, you say, "Hey, how are you today?" It's hey, hey, hey. But do not. You can say hey. Okay, just hey. छोटी ये it's ye, but we say it's choti ye. Choti mean little, okay, so choti ye. If you are facing problem with choti, so you can say ye, only ye, choti ye. And the last one is badi ye. Now I'm going to repeat one by one each alphabet, because today I have complete all alphabets, and I'm going to pronounce each alphabet, and you have to listen carefully and you have to recognize the sound. Okay, you have to listen carefully. Okay, I'm going to start. Listen carefully. Alif, be, pe, te, se, jim, che, he, khe, dal, zal, re, ze, je, sin, sheen, swad, zwad. You can say dwad or zwad. Toe, zoe, ain, ghain, fe, qaf, kaf, gaf, lam, mim, noon, वाव, हे, दो चश्मी है, हमजा, छोटी ये, बड़ी ये. There are two missing alphabet that I didn't three are missing alphabet I didn't teach you this. Okay, now listen carefully. There are all alphabet, and I'm going to pronounce each alphabet 3 times one by one. You have to listen carefully. First, alif, now second one I didn't teach you. Second one, it is similar alif, but there is something. It is similar with alif, but it is not alif. It's alif madda. I'm pronouncing second one alif madda. Be. I'm pronouncing third one be. And the next one pay. And the next one te. And the next one is similar, but it's really hard to pronounce. Te. And the next one say. Now the shape of alphabet is changing. Now it's jim. Next one che. Next hey. There are 3 sound of hey. This is the first one hey. Second one khe. Now again the alphabet shape is changing. it is called dal. 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 The shape is same, just minor difference. Dal. It is called dal. First one dal, and it is dal. Dal. Next zal. 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 Now I'm going to come into the second row. Second row, first word. Re. 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 Next, re. 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 Next, ze. 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 And the next one, je. 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 And the next one, the shape is changed. Seen. 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 Next, sheen. 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 Next, sword. 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 Dod. Dod. Or you can say dod or zod. It is up to you. Dod. Dod. Zod. Zod. Next, toy. 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 Next, zoe. 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 Ain. Ain. We start today lesson, we start from this alphabet. Ain. Ain. Ghain. Ghain. Fe. Fe. Qaf. 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 Kaf. 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 Gaf. 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 Lam. 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 Mim. 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 Noon. 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 Now it is similar, but there is not a full stop in this shape. It is called noon gunna. Noon gunna. But we did not add in the alphabets, because it is the same sound, noon gunna. Next, wow. 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 And now it's come second, hey. Do you remember? First hey is in the first line, and this is also hey, and the hey, hey, and the next one is also hey. This is also hey, but this is called do chashmi hai, because there are two hole in this two hole, so we call do chashmi hai. Hey, this is also called hey. There are three hey in the first row, and before this one hey, and this is also hey, but it is called do chashmi hai. Okay. Hamza. 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 This is I didn't teach you also this one, because it is not including this one is not including in my lesson, but I want to let you know about all the alphabets that is not including that is not added in our alphabets, because it will help you in our pronunciation and reading lesson. Okay, so the second last one is choti ye. Choti ye. Choti ye. And the last one is badi ye. Badi ye. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and let me know in the comments box, can you pronounce these words these words. If you are facing any problem, let me know. I will try to repeat more lesson for you, because I will make more lesson about alphabets, because I promise you I will show you how children pronounce alphabets, and how native speakers pronounce Urdu alphabets, and I will also pronounce from my native students who can speak Urdu very well. So they are native speakers. So I will request them to read this, and you will listen. But in my next lesson, I will try to add more videos regarding to alphabets. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and share on social medias like Facebook, Twitter. Don't forget to share this video. Assalamu alaikum, take care.